guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to play all those difficult songs as a beginner on keyboard. This is how to play keyboard as a beginner, part 3. So I use this very song. You know, this is not the way to play this song. You understand? You can add other minors and other passing chord to play this song, but as a beginner, you see, as I played it now, it made sense. So you can start as a beginner, you can play it like this. Just your 1, your 4, and your 5. Just have that music here. So normally you can play this song. You are the Lord. So instead of playing like this, I just made it to be very simple, just something like this. You are the Lord. I will explain it further. You are the Lord. Very simple. My healer. You sent your word and it healed my disease. You see, it makes sense. So this is how to play it. First, I'm doing it on the key of F. So I made it to be very simple. See the progression here. You are the Lord. This is your 1. You understand? This is your Do. This is your Do. Your 1. This is the first inversion of your Do. You are the Lord. Stay on your 1. Then your 4, your Fa. The next chord is your Fa. You are the Lord, my healer. Then your Do, Ti, La. So calm down. See what I just did. But I just played the full chord. You understand? On your left, you just play your Do, Ti, La. Hope I'm not moving so fast. On your left, you play your Do, Ti, La. On your right, you just play the same thing. Do, Ti. So again, from the start. You are the Lord. Very slow. He led me. Then your Fa. You sent your word. You see, your Do, Ti. You sent your word. I'm still on my La, my 6. You're the Z. Back to your Fa. Immediately you play your Fa. The next is your Sol, which is your 5. You are the Lord. Hope you got it. So this is how to play some technical songs as a beginner and still get the progression. But one thing, you must have the music here to know when to go to your Do, your La, your Sol, your Fa, and the rest. So let me just play another song. Jesus, lover of my soul. Very simple. So see the progression here. Jesus, your Do, your 1. The next chord, your 5, your saw. Lover of my soul. Then next chord is your la. Jesus. Then next chord is your fa. Never let you go. Back to your 1, your do. You taking me, just same thing. On the clay. Set my feet upon the rock, and now I know. So just forget it. I just do my do, re, mi, fa, find me. You can just add this. See, Jesus, your 1, your 5, my soul, and your 6. Jesus, and then your 4, it's your 5. You're taking me from the mighty grave. Then set my feet upon the rock. Sorry. Then your 6. Jesus. Then your 4. Taking me. Just same thing. Great. Set my feet upon the rock. Just to spice it up, this. I just be playing this and people will go wow. So let me just play with the beats, then we call it a tutorial. Then let me just play this last song. Jesus, lover of my soul. Jesus, never let you go. This is it. That's it. This is how to play any song or keyboard as a beginner, part 3. So guys, please, if you learn something here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, drop your feedback. God bless.